We've got a bit of a problem.
Oh God, what's up?
Mr. Emerald, he's just arrived to pick up his new guide dog.
Another one? What did you do with the last one?
That thing with the nuns.
Oh, right. Well, did you tell him we're out?
No, I kind of promised him one. Is even Percy out?
Even the emergency Jack Russell with Satwag is gone.
What about the ones in the programme? When are they due out?
We've got another 6 months before they're through.
I put out some new magazines and some fresh coffee. Should keep for a while, but not 6 months.
Don't worry, I've got an idea. Right, tell him it's taller than his last dog. It's lighter. You know, it likes pollen. Flowers. It's called Sting.
And the buzzing?
We'll say it's like a cat. It's content. It's purring. It's a bee. Terrific memory. A great sense of navigation.
Look, this will never work. Have you got any other ideas?
I think I saw an anthill around the back.